What's up everyone, it's Janisha Jenny here, and today we're diving into the wild world of AI. Don't worry, we're keeping it super chill and easy to understand. We're gonna break down all those confusing AI terms and make them crystal clear, so you can sound like a tech whiz without the headache. Get ready to level up your knowledge and have some fun along the way. Alright fam, let's talk AI. Imagine you've got this super smart robot buddy who can learn stuff and make decisions like a pro. That's basically AI in a nutshell. It's like having a digital assistant on steroids, ready to help you out with all sorts of cool things. From writing epic stories to creating mind-blowing art, AI is changing the game. It's like having a secret weapon in your back pocket, ready to unleash your creativity. Now, let's talk about how to talk to your AI buddy. That's where prompts come in. Think of a prompt like giving your AI a gentle nudge in the right direction. It's like saying, "Hey AI, I need you to whip up a killer blog post about the coolest sneakers ever made." And just like that, your AI gets to work, using its brain power to create something amazing. It's like magic, but with more algorithms. You know how when you're scrolling through YouTube you see those little preview images that make you go, "Whoa, I gotta watch that"? Those, my friends, are thumbnails. They're like the cover of a book, but for videos. A killer thumbnail is like having a superpower. It grabs people's attention and makes them want to click faster than you can say subscribe. Chapter 4. Viral Thumbnails, the Secret Sauce. Now imagine a thumbnail so epic, so captivating, that it sends your views skyrocketing. That's the power of a viral thumbnail. It's like the golden ticket to internet fame, and everyone's trying to get their hands on it. Think bright colors, bold text, and images that make people stop dead in their tracks. It's all about grabbing attention and not letting go. Face swapping digital dress up. Ever wanted to see what you'd look like with your best friend's face? Well, with face swapping, you can. It's like digital dress up, but for faces. You can swap faces with your favorite celebrities, your pet hamster, or even a piece of pizza. Just imagine the hilarious possibilities. It's all about having fun and letting your creativity run wild. Chapter 6. Credits in AI tools, giving props where it's due. Alright, let's talk about giving credit where credit is due. When you're using AI tools, you'll often see something called credits. These credits are like little thank you notes to the brilliant minds who created the AI magic. It's like tipping your hat to the developers, designers, and everyone who made it possible for you to create something awesome. Now, let's get a little bit techie. Just a tiny bit, I promise. You know how AI seems to know exactly what you like and what you're looking for? Well, that's because of algorithms. Think of an algorithm like a set of instructions that tells the computer what to do. It's like a recipe that the computer follows to solve problems, make decisions, and basically run the show. Chapter 8. Content Creators, the rock stars of the digital age. We all know and love them. Content creators. These are the talented folks who make the videos we watch, the blogs we read, and the podcasts we listen to. They're the storytellers, the entertainers, and the educators of the digital world. From YouTubers to Instagram influencers, content creators are the heartbeat of the internet, bringing us joy, inspiration, and a whole lot of entertainment. Chapter 9. URLs, your online address. Ever wondered how to find your way around the vast world of the internet? URLs are your trusty guide. A URL is like a website's address. It's what you type into your web browser to visit a specific website. Think of it like the address of your favorite restaurant, but instead of leading you to a plate of delicious food, it takes you to a world of information, entertainment, and endless possibilities. Chapter 10. Disclaimers, the fine print. Alright folks, time for a little legal talk. Don't worry, I'll keep it painless. You know those little notes you see at the bottom of videos or websites? The ones with all the legal jargon? Those are called disclaimers. Think of a disclaimer like the rules of the game. They let you know what's okay and what's not okay, so everyone's on the same page. It's all about keeping things transparent and making sure everyone's playing fair. And that's a wrap. We just demystified a whole bunch of AI and content creation terms. Now you're practically fluent in tech speak. Remember, knowledge is power, and now you've got the power to conquer the digital world. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you found it helpful and subscribe to my channel for more awesome content. Hit that bell icon so you never miss an upload. Until next time, peace out.